Back to the ball game, fourth quarter po tayo. Number 8, hand off to number 17. Mabula with a drive, using the guard, basket. Baba sa tatlo ang kalamangan ng ating team. Almeda, pass to Maddox. Number 11, pass to Almeda. Backer pass to Maddox. Binigay sa corner. Gets the 3, too strong. Rebound by Almeda, using the board, no good. Defensive rebound. Almeda and 1. Basket count and 1 by Almeda Jake. 30. Shooting on the line by Jake Almeda. No good. Rebound by Shensha. Shensha to number 24. Setting on the play. Offensive foul. Bola rito ng De La Salle Zobel. Number 11, pass number 17, pass to Parian, pass to Almeda. Almeda binomba sa loob, using the glass, no good. Makukuha. Maddox with a hook shot. Correction. Almeda with a rebound. Almeda basket. Let's go, Jake. Ayan na. Oh, steal. Number 11. Uy. Last touch. Mama sa last shot para sa Lourdes. Maddox pass to Almeda, too strong. What an extra pass, but there's a foul. Shooting on the line of jersey number 67. Take time by number 67, no good. No good. Rebound by Josh. Robles. I gotta go over Robles. There's a foul. Nasa corner, step back 3, no good. Rebound ng Lourdes. Pass to Cruz, spin. Natapikan ni number 63. Ayan na, Almeda, pass to Maddox. Parian, pass to Almeda, but there's a traveling violation. Jump. Yeah, defense out, defense. Come on. Defense, come on. Time remaining 6 minutes and 39 seconds. 5, 4, 3. Kamay. Number 28. Oh, steal. Number 3, attack the defense, no good. Defensive rebound, number 10 with a putback. That is Puno. Ayan na. Oy, munti ka na magawan. Josh, pass to Robles. Steal. Ayan na. Attacking the basket. Oy, no good. Rebound, makuha ni Shensha. Shensha, nagmamadali. Shensha, atake. Tumira, wala. Rebound. Number 17 and... Time remaining 5 minutes and 40 seconds. Shooting at the line of jersey number 17, Shensha. Second shot para kay Shensha. Oopsie, no good. Rebound. Makukuha ni Almeda. Jake. Pinasa corner. Fake. Pass to Almeda. Pinasa loob. What an extra pass! Woo! By jersey number 31. Ayan na. Robles nagmamadali. Robles, pinasa, steal by Almeda. Almeda nagmamadali dito. Almeda atake. Oy, nakalusot si Jake Almeda. Time out. Lourdes School, QC. And official score is 43-30 in favor of the De La Salle Isabel. Time remaining, last 5 minutes. Okay, back to the ball game. Official score is 43-30 in favor of the De La Salle Isabel. Florida School basketball. Shensha. Oh, steal. Oh, what a nice shot by jersey number 3. Ayan na. Nagmamadali si Shensha, dire-diretso. What an extra pass to Josh Cruz. Oopsie. Bola rito ng Lourdes. Shensha. Crossover. Kick out to Josh. 4-3. Short. Rebound. No good. Rebound again. Masasave ni Puno. Puno. May tanga na bola. Kaya cross. Binababa ang bola rito. Puno with a cross. Puno atake. Nabitawan nga lang. Time remaining of 3 minutes and 51 seconds. Bola lang Lourdes. Shensha. Oh, steal by Jake. Almeda all the way. 47-32. Ayun na si Shensha. Backdoor pass. Mabulak, nagmamadali. Binigay. Number 12. Sumaksak. No good. Rebound. Ayan na. Number 28. Pass to Puno. Puno. 4-3. No good. Rebound by Shensha. Shensha. Pass to Mabulak. Mabulak. Attacking the basket. And there's a foul Entering the line, jersey number 82, Mabulak.
Box out! One.
Number 32.
Bola! Jake!
47-34 ang ating talaan. Time remaining 2 minutes and 4 seconds. Okay, back to the ball game. Bola po rito ng Lourdes School QC. Mabulak for 3, no good. Offensive rebound. Number 28, sidestep, short. What a fake. Number 67, Shensha with the rebound. Pass to Robles. Robles, bounce pass, steal by number 28. Number 28, pass to Almeda. Jake. To number 28, stop and pump. No. Ayan na, number 28, pass to Cruz, spin, no good. Offensive rebound by Puno. Pass number 12, steal by Robles and out of bounds. Time remaining, last 55 seconds. 55 for 41 seconds remaining. Pasensya na po at parang nagtulog ang ating signal. Nilabas na po ang mga starter 5 ng Lourdes. Pass number 13, 4-3, no good. Rebound number 34 with a putback. by Mortel Aaron. Number 11, pass to number 2. Top of the key for 3. Wala. Rebound by number 8. And there's a foul. On the free throw area, jersey number 8. Ooh, no good. Second shot by jersey number 8. Basket is good. 35-51.
Nice na Rod. Tapos na ang ano, pintain.
Oh, basket count and 1 by jersey number 30. Run a shot. Time remaining last 18 seconds. Run a shot is good. 54-35. Whoopsie. 19-point lead. Whoopsie. Steal. Number 30. Sidestep. Poop. Short. Reverse layup. Wala pa rin. Kick out for 3. No good. Number 34. Hold na daw po. At dito na po nagtatapos ang ating laban. Our final score is 54-35. Panalo po ang ating De La Salle Zobel. Congrats po. Ayan. What a nice win para sa ating De La Salle Zobel against the Lourdes School QC. Ayan, muli maraming pong salamat sa lahat ng sumusuporta ng ating live. Ayan, especially from the De La Salle Zobel, to all the parents na nag-imbita po sa akin. Pasensya na po at minsan nagloloko ang ating live parang kanina. And congratulations po, De La Salle Zobel, winning this matchup against the Lourdes School QC. Maraming salamat po sa inyong panonood and God bless everyone. Hanggang sa muli. This is your the De La Salle Zobel basketball team. Maraming salamat po. Congrats.